are here in Tsilivi with my new friends. Hello, Lydia. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Lydia. Are you having fun here? Yes. Oh, so yes. So that's the mini golf here. Wala naman makakaan sa'yo. Kabayo, oh. Napasakay tayo ni Kuya. Napasakay tayo. You wanna ride? You wanna ride with the horse? Huh? I don't know. I haven't tried. How much? But I think it's only 40 euros, something like that. Oo. For 15 minutes. Or for 30 minutes. Kala ko mga after 10 minutes pa kayo nun darating.
Sabi niya, tawagan mo na.
Andun na kayo kagad.
Kaya hindi kita advance lang. Okay lang kasi di ka rin naman eh. Gusto mo lang din eh. Labas-labas ka din. Ba't ayaw mong bumili ng ano?
Ng steak?
Oo.
Trip. Like Tsilivi Beach, yung road ng Tsilivi. Ito, Elia, mahal dito. Nag-ano kami na dyan. Oh, yeah. So this is one of the recommended restaurant also. We have tried there, but it's quite expensive. Yeah, it's quite spicy. Mali na, masarap naman yung price. And then there's an entertainment here for kids. One-fourth. Would you like to come there so you can play?
Yes. Para naman happy-happy.
Para
naman sabihin niya.
So Lydia, we're going in the fun park. So this is the fun park here. I think you have to buy something. And then you will feel something like that. It's big.
What you will do?
What you're gonna do with it?
Cut nila.
Huh? Why is only one?
Cut. Kailangan mo siyang i-cut.
You have to cut the rope.
Yeah.
Then you can bring home this stuffed toys. I think it's gonna be difficult. Yeah.
You must, how you will
Collect
take
and 5 monster.
The monster blue energy bar can keep down the monster comes with the price.
Doesn't like this one. Oh, this one is, but I think it's difficult. It's a gadget. It's a gadget that you have to, what you're going to do, you have to target. You should make this, yeah, you should make this drop there so you can get it. Ayun sila.
Nakakakunat like sa
Here is like fright night. Okay, pame. Score. Night. Getting 81.87, 95, and yeah. Why it become 10?
madami na. Hindi na kayo.
Doesn't know which one.
Bakit?
Faster! Faster! It's 57 points. It's a Luna Pond Fort. Garfield. So you have to target those. If you drop it, then you can. You must be shooter. Okay. So behind the arcade has Luna Park. So this is like Luna Park. This is Luna Park, I think, like Luna Park.
Kala ko bubulo na ba?
Because
Huh?
you go inside and you give it like that.
Oh, parang scary.
Andreas, we're going to try it, and he needs to shoot the 8 pieces of dot, and then he can get one. And then he can get one.
Small.
One small prize.
Pag na-8 siya.
He target 8. He should target 8 of dot. Uh-oh. This looks like a real gun. Is it heavy? Oh, it's heavy. Oh, like that. It's a shotgun. Oh my god. So Andreas, we're going to try it. Wow. Second. Oh, 3 ah. Wow. This is shooter. Wow. Wow. It didn't miss at all. He missed one. Bravo. Bravo. Wow, you're a shooter. You're a shooter. Okay, so now it's time for them to choose. He's a shooter. So they have to choose, that's what they're choosing. So one of the stop toys. The lady can't, so Andreas is helping already the lady. Oops. 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 Oh my god. You're going to drop. Ah. Why so scary? See? It's a portion one. Then, joysticks would be down. Wala yata. Yeah. Yes.